So this just arrived this morning. It's the Ricoel C7 with the BMW mount I ordered. It's in quite a nice little box, quite sturdy. Little corner holders. Let's see what the unit looks like. That's quite nice. Let's see what's in the box. Instruction manual. This is a normal mount, I think, and this looks like the BMW mount. Yeah, this is the BMW mount, which goes on to it. I mean, the reason that I wanted the Ricoel unit is because it seems a lot neater than the CarPlay, and I think this should hopefully go on here a lot easier and not stick out as much, but I'm going to try it and find out, so I'll be putting this all together very shortly. But first impressions are, it's a nice looking unit.